Hello again, and welcome to my creative African cooking channel, Ndudu by Fafa. Miawe Zulu, Ndudu by Fafa, Nya, Koba Ndudu and Yukwelu, Fafa, come on, Ndudu, Nablo Fafa, Alaba flavors are all my bala, Ndudu Vivi, Dr. Ndudu, Hello beautiful people, today I'm going to show you how to turn this mundane fish to a flavor-packed mouthful of shenanigans and keche of Ndudu's, asamna tintin kradodo. What am I even saying? Welcome, that's what I'm trying to say. Thank you for tuning in. Yes, today in the house I've got sea bream. Like no any other sea bream was. Sea bream matches like kachana levels no common. You can use your red snapper, tilapia, whatever fish you prefer. The choice is yours. As I always say, it be your mouth. What goes into your mouth, it be your own business. And whilst we're at it, if this is your first time, you're welcome and thank you for joining me for this experience. Please do me that great service of clicking the subscribe button and the notification button so you do not miss a thing. So here I've got my sea bream and my fishmonger has been kind enough to descale it and gut the fish. So all I need to do is create my pockets as you can see here. Now to my loyal subscribers, like you thought I'd forgotten about you? Never. Me love you guys. Thank you so much for your love, your likes, my notification gang. You guys, you did be. May God bless each and every one of you. So me now, I'm creating some pockets here, by slanting the knife and doing that shenanigan thing there. And as a disclaimer, as I'd say, whenever using any sharp objects, please do take all necessary precautions. I want you to eat and enjoy yourself and not hurt yourself. Now look at how fresh this is. You say waiting. Ndudu by Fafa, Nya, Koba Ndudu and Yukwelu, Fafa, come on, Ndudu, Nablo Fafa, Alaba flavors are all my bala, Ndudu Vivi, Dr. Ndudu, And now I'm adding my Chinese 5-spice mix. Now this is readily available online or in most supermarkets, but I guess what I'll do is I'd write a recipe for the 5 classic ingredients that makes this amazing spice mix. Now look at how beautiful and dark it is, and it's so aromatic and scented and just gorgeous. So to my clay bowl, as you can see here, I'm just sprinkling my Chinese 5-spice. And then the next thing I'm going to add is my sesame oil. I love the flavor of sesame oil, and especially when you combine it with the Chinese 5-spice. It's incredible. Now that I've done that, I need to add some umami flavor. So I'm adding some fish sauce, which is like fermented fish sauce. You can use a pinch of dawa dawa, which is the fermented locust beans. Ensure that your fish is covered in this beautiful aromatic marinade, and at the same time you need to preheat your oven grill to 180 degrees. We will be grilling this for about 10 to 12 minutes so that it's still moist but crusty on the outside. Whilst that's happening, I've placed my frying pan on a medium to high heat because I'm going to be doing some chiches. I'm going to start with my fennel seeds. I'm going to allow the fennel seeds to release their oils, and this is only going to happen for about 30 seconds. Now, once that's happened, I'm going to add some coconut oil. Say what? Yes. So you can imagine that fennel has this licoricey flavor, and of course coconut oil. When you use the organic cold pressed coconut oil, it has that beautiful coconut flavor. Now I'm added my garlic slivers to it, that they're just going to add that garlicky flavor to it. And I'm going to allow this to slightly burn because I just need that slight burn taste for this as well. Now this looks incredible. So I'm going to turn the heat off and also add my chopped spring onions, which also has some green chilies in there. And I'm just going to toast this till it's well combined. As I always say, is your mouth watering? Talking about infusions, I've just grated the zest of one lime, which just lifts this thing up to the next level. Now you notice I've not added salt to this because of course I've added salt to the marinade. And here we have it after 10 minutes. Here's the pièce de resistance. Shenam, look at fish, bolada, brencho nalu. Ingbo komye yo, ingbo nye yo, binoke baye. Then I'd be deep. What are you going to be enjoying this beauty with? Me love it. Do you love it? Click the subscribe button and like it, and leave your comments below. Share your thoughts. I love that. Oven Grilled Fafa. Come on, Ndudu, and Fafa. I love the flavors. Now look at this. You can see the slivers of garlic, the ginger there, got that spring onion, a little bit of the green chili. So just imagine biting into this and then you have that burst of fennel flavor coming through in your mouth. When I say this is not any other food, this is not any other food. This is Ndudu by Fafa. Yeah, please click that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. And I hope I have given you that reason to do so. And to my loyal subscribers, me love you. Thank you. Notification gang, please tell me what you think about this recipe. Can you imagine this with the Ghanaian penku and some kinky bikra, or even that broccoli stir-fry recipe I made for a healthier option? Why don't you try it? I'll leave a link in the description box below and you can familiarize yourself with that. Naturally, I'll leave the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog, ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter as Ndudu by Fafa, so do pass by and say hi. Noel, thank you very much for my theme song. And until next time, beautiful kings and queens, me love you for you. Take care of you until my next experience with you.